Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your site colors on your Wix website. So here I am on my Wix dashboard. If you want to edit your website, you need to click on edit site button and this will open up Wix website editor. So it will take some time to load. So here you can see that my website has been loaded. So if I want to change my website's color, all you need to do is go to this A button on the left panel, which is site design button. You need to click on it and here you will see the site theme. Click on it and it has some already pre-made color themes. If you want a black background, you can click on it. If you want dynamic, you can click on dynamic. So it totally depends on your need. So if you want to change the background color, all you need to do is click on this fade background button, click on customize, and here you can change the background. And there you go. You can see in the preview that my background image has been changed. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next tutorial.